Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the BOYA by M1 mic. Okay, so this mic is very useful and this mic gives a very clear sound, and if you want to buy this mic then I will give you the link in the description. It's of $19 and I will also be showing you another kind of mic in this video. So please watch the video till the end so you will get more information about this mic before you buy it or if you want to know about it. So let's start. As you can see here, we have got our BOYA mic. This is the BOYA M1 mic and I had bought this for $19. So you can also buy this if you want. The link is given in the description. So first of all, let me do unboxing video so that if you watch it, then you will be clear about the mic and its functions. So first of all, let's take out our mic. As you can see here inside, the mic is given in the bag, as you can see here, and here is its warranty card which you can see here, and inside this bag there is our mic, and in this box there is also a manual for the mic, as you can see here. If you want to read this you can read, but you don't need to read this because this mic is very easy and simple to use. Okay, so first of all, let me open the bag, and inside first of all we get to see these two parts of our mic, and inside here is our main mic. Okay, so first of all let me take out it. So first of all let me show you these two parts of our mic. So inside this bag there are a clip, as you can see here. This is a clip and we need this clip to attach the mic to our clothes. Okay, for example, if we are outside and we are making video, so we need this clip so we can attach it in our clothes. And the next thing we have got is this foam wind screen, as you can see here. So this will filter the wind and everything and your sound will be very clear. Okay, we just need to attach this to the mic, as you can see here. Now here, this is our main mic. Okay, as you can see, this wire is of almost 20 foot long, so it is very long wire. Yeah? Now as you can see here, this part, this is the mic. Okay, this is our mic, as you can see here. So in here only we have to insert this foam windscreen and this clip. Now let me first of all attach these things. So foam windscreen, first of all, before that we have to attach this clip, as you can see here. So here is this part of the clip, as you can see here. So this part will go here. Okay, like this. We just attach it like this, and then this foam windscreen also we will attach it. So see, our mic is ready. Now this wire is very long of 20 foot, so I will just show you some other functions of this. Now as you can see here, this is the controller of the mic. Okay, so from here you can turn on and off the mic, and in this mic you require batteries. Okay, so to operate this mic you require these kind of batteries, as you can see here. So this kind of small batteries you have to keep in the mic. Now if you are using the mic through a smartphone, then you don't need batteries. Okay, because the mobile batteries will automatically be transferred and the mic will work through your mobile batteries. But if you are using a camera or a DSLR, then you need to insert the batteries. Okay, because without the batteries then this mic won't work. Okay, so first of all, how to insert the batteries, let me show you. As you can see here, this one part, this middle one, we can just rotate it. Okay, as you can see here, this part we can just rotate it and open it. So here, as you can see, I had already inserted one battery. So in the similar way you also have to insert a battery over here. See, as you can see here, here is the battery, and here is also small support so that you can wrap it around the battery and then again close it so the battery won't come out or move here and there. And now the next function of this mic is very simple, as you can see here. First of all, let me close this battery. And as you can see here, here is also a small clip given in this controller, so you can attach this, you can also attach this in your clothes so that it will be easier to carry the mic with you. Okay, as you can see here, this is the clip here. So this clip also you can attach it. And then now some functions of this mic are very simple. You just have to attach this mic on your shirt or anywhere you want to attach, and then you just have to turn on from here. Okay, as you can see here, here is the on off switch. See here, here is two modes. One is cameras. Okay, so I said you already, if you are using camera then you require battery. Okay, so when you do this switch on the camera, then the battery will start to burn and your mic will be used. Okay, but if you are using a smartphone, then below of that there is a button called off or smartphone. Okay, so as I said, if you are using smartphone, no need to put the batteries. Your smartphone batteries will automatically be fitted here. And then if you are not using this mic, then you should always keep it in off. Okay, if you just keep it in the camera mode or on and leave it, then the battery will keep on burning. But this battery is very long lasting. Okay, it can be used till 11 months of time. This BOYA mic can be used up to 11 months of time once we have kept the battery. Okay, or after 11 or 10 months you can just change the battery and it will work perfectly fine. Okay, and now let's talk about this audio clip. First of all, I will be showing you a voice record with my smartphone's mic, and then I will be showing you a voice record with this BOYA mic, and then you will see the difference yourself. Okay, so this mic is very powerful.
Okay guys, so as you can hear my voice, this is the voice record which I have done from my smartphone's mic. Okay, now I will be doing the voice record from my BOYA mic and you can see the difference.
And now this is the voice record from the BOYA mic. So you may see the difference. The BOYA mic is very strong and powerful. So there is also wind filter, and just this much was for this mic. And here is also the plug which you can attach it in the mobile or smartphone like normal, and you can use the mic very easily. So this much was about this mic, and if you like this mic then you can buy. But there is another type of mic also in the market, which is a double BOYA mic. As you can see in this box, I had bought a single BOYA mic. As you can see, just one mic there is. But if you are going to record a video of 2 persons, and if you are going to do interview of 2 persons, then you can use this double BOYA mic also. I had bought this for $26. So if you want to buy this double mic also, I will give the link in the description, which is of $26. And if you want to buy this single BOYA mic also for just 1 person, you can buy this also. I will give the link in the description. It is of $19. So as you can see here, this is my double BOYA mic. Okay, see, there is the one controller but with 2 mics. Okay, this is for 2 people. So if you are going to take interview of 2 people or just make a video for 2 people, then you can use this mic so that both sound will be clear. And if you are using for 1 person, then you must buy this mic, because this mic is very useful for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to buy any of these 2 mics, then I will give both link in the description. This is of $21 and this is a double BOYA mic, and this is of $91 and it's a single BOYA mic. So if you want to buy these mics according to your wish, then you can buy them. I will give the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.